Here's an example, or a reminder really, of how to solve a quadratic by completing the square. So here's our sample equation, right? And the first thing we really want to do is get the 7 to the other side. So now this becomes 4x squared plus 12x, right, equals -7. And I left some space. The other thing to do next is, look, we've got a leading coefficient. So let's move that guy out of our equation, right? And we'll factor it out. And then we're also going to add a space for our third component here, equals -7. Okay, so now the secret is, what is this guy? Well, really what we do is you divide the b, this component, by 2. So this becomes 3/2 squared, right? And whatever you do to one side, you need to do to the other side, don't you? So now we have to add 4 times 3/2 squared, don't we? Okay, so let's fix this up a little. I'm going to do 2 steps at once. This is really 4. And now we know our square is going to be x plus 3/2, right, squared, equals, and now if you combine this, right, this becomes 9/4, and the 4's cancel out. So -7 plus 9, you get a 2. Great. Now we can divide by 4. So x plus 3/2 squared equals 1/2. And let's square root each side, right? And now you get x plus 3/2 equals plus or minus the square root of 1/2. Okay, that's not a perfect way to put it, but it works. And we're going to just subtract the 3/2, right? So we get plus or minus the square root of 1/2 minus 3/2. There you go. And you can rearrange this depending on how your teacher wants to see it. And that's how you do it. Quick reminder.